Sarap maglakad ko sa labas. Nakakatamad naman maglakad pag mainit, sobra. Kakaloka rin Let's go walking, guys. Ang sexy ang nasa harapan ko na. Tingnan naman ganda pa ng likod. Diba? Maghintay tayo ng saan ba sila ba? Kailangan ko na maglakad. Medyo mainit-init pa, guys. Sobrang init. Maluluto ng mukha ko. Let's continue to walk, guys. This is the price. Walking for more. Oh my gosh. Let's go walking, guys. Everyday, grabe ang init. But let's walk. Continue for walking, guys. Let's go. Tatawid na tayo. Diba? Tatawid na tayo. Tatawid na tayo. Let's go walking, guys. Let's go walking. Let's go walking. Almost done, guys. Ay, wala pala akong dalang tubig. Palagi ko may tubig pala ako. Lagi ko nakakalimutan ng tubig ko. Let's walking, guys. Diba? Dala na yung mga Let's go walking. Walking for more. No. Too much hot. Too much hot in Dubai. Let's go walking in Dubai. Let's go walking, guys. Ganda ng girl, sexy. Kaso lang, ba ang damit ko. But it's okay. It's a normal. Diba? Normal yun na, day. Wala kayong mga kids dito na saan kaya sila ni mga Let's go walking, guys. Let's go walking. Walk on other side. Let's go, guys. Let's go home. Kamali pa ng kuha ng video. It's okay. Let's go home. Almost done. Let's go home. Let's go home, guys. Let's go home. 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 Yeah, in the. Let's go home. Let's go home. And I. Yeah. Too much hot in Dubai. Let's go. Let's go walking. Wala pa. Ayan, dito na, malapit na. Yan, Esther.